Good morning everyone. This is Neeraj Kumar from Krishna Public School Meerut from class 10th. Today as well I'll be giving you a new story from our first book, chapter number 4, that is From the Diary of Anne Frank. So like every day I'll be giving you detailed summary covering all the valuable points that will certainly help my dear students in their examination. So now let us start the story from the Diary of Anne Frank, chapter number 4. Here I just tell you about the title of the story. From the Diary of Anne Frank. Actually, the main character of this story is Anne Frank. It is an extract taken from the novel The Diary of a Young Girl. We will study with the help of this extract an incident that takes place between Anne Frank and her maths teacher Mr. Keesing. Actually, this extract is an argument between both of them. So now let us know what is the argument and what is the result of this argument. The chapter from the Diary of Anne Frank is written by Anne Frank herself. As far as this chapter is concerned, actually that has been taken from the novel The Diary of a Young Girl. So, and Anne herself has written this. She is the main character in the story. As far as Anne is concerned, she is the main character of the story. She herself describes one of her incidents related to the classroom in her diary, Kitty. Anne Frank had a diary named Kitty. She used to write all daily routine in her diary, whatever it is. Whatever she felt, whatever she did, whomsoever she met, she used to write all the things in her diary named Kitty. And this incident was also written in her diary by Anne Frank. The most likely reason was to write the diary because she did not have any real friend whom she could share her personal feelings. As Anne Frank did not have any real friend, and this was the most likely reason she used to write diary. She used to write her personal feelings in it. Apart from this, she even has told a little about her family and friends. Not only as usual things, not only personal things, she has written about her family members as well in her diary named Kitty. This incident which she mentioned in her diary was related to the necessity and importance of talking for a student. What actually she has narrated, she has written about this argument. It is all about necessity and importance of talking for a student. As just few seconds I told you that this extract is just related to an argument between Anne Frank and her maths teacher Mr. Keesing. So with the help of this extract, she actually has told the necessity and importance of talking of a student. That how much is it necessary for a student. She was given extra homework to write essays on the following topics: a chatterbox, an incorrigible chatterbox, and quack quack as punishment because of useless talking in his period. Actually, Anne Frank was in the habit of talking too much she was a chatterbox. She most of time used to talk with her friends in during when class is being taught, when something is being taught in the class, and especially during maths period. One day what happened, she was continuously talking with her friends, and it was the period of maths teacher. He was quite angry with Anne, and continuously for 3 times her maths teacher gave her punishment for writing essays on the following topics. The first topic was chatterbox, second an incorrigible chatterbox, and quack quack quack. And it was just like a punishment, as she was talking too much, talking nonsense in the class. Because of this, her maths teacher Mr. Keesing was being irritated, and by being irritated he gave some kind of punishment to Anne Frank, and she was to write 3 following essays, as I have told you. She could write only on 2 topics, but not able to write the third essay, quack quack quack. She was able to write only on 2 topics. First, a chatterbox, second, an incorrigible chatterbox. But when it comes to on third essay, it was quack quack quack. She had nothing to write, because already she had written lot of things, related topics. Her friend Sani helped her to write essay on that topic. When her maths teacher Mr. Keesing read it in most of the classes, he got satisfied and emotional from that day. There was a friend Annie. There was a friend Sani, and he was Annie's friend, and actually he was good at poetry. He wrote that essay and helped Anne Frank. When it was read in most of the classes by Mr. Keesing, he got satisfied and emotional, because it was related to a mother duck and a father swan with 3 babies ducklings who were beaten by their father because they quacked too much. Because 3 baby ducklings, they quacked too much, and being irritated, their father killed them. So when it was announced, when it was read in the most of the classes, everybody got emotional, because why father killed them? Because it was too much talking, it was too much quack. So similarly, the same thing was being done, same thing was happening in the class as well. So after reading it and understanding it, he became very much emotional. After that very day, he allowed her to talk in the class and never assigned extra homework to her. After that very day, he came to know the reality, and he never stopped Anne Frank to talk with her friends. He allowed her to talk. Even he enjoyed many times Anne Frank while talking to her friends, and never assigned any kind of homework to do. So this was all about the story from the diary of Anne Frank. I hope you must have understood some valuable points that will certainly help my dear students in their examination. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. This is Mr. Neeraj Kumar from Krishna Public School, Meerut. Have a nice day.